Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for day 20 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Today we're going to be doing a lot of deep stretching. This is going to help increase flexibility as well as reduce aches and pains. We'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Back is straight, chin parallel. Close your eyes. Hands can either stay in receiving position or stacked one over the other. Now take this moment to scan your whole body. From the tip of your toes all the way to the crown of your head. Now take your left hand and place it behind your back. With your right, try and grab it all this way. Now drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Notice the stretch all along the left side of your neck, your shoulder. Just keep breathing in and out. Come back to center. Release your hand, just stretching your interlaced fingers behind your back. Eyes can stay closed. Open your chest forward. You can look towards the ceiling or where the wall meets the ceiling. Now I'm going to grab my right, bring it towards my left. I'll drop my left ear to my left shoulder. Breathe in and breathe out. We'll do this for 2 more breaths. Come back to center. Release your hands. Take your hands all the way up, pressing your palms towards the ceiling, your interlaced palms, and then bring it forward. Drop your chin to chest. You're trying to push your palms in the direction of the mat. Big breath in and exhale. Slowly sit tall. Release your hands. We're going to come onto our knees and palms. Archana, your tabletop. Your wrist is beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hips, toes behind your knees. Now as you breathe in, arch your back, chin, chest, and gaze forward. And as you breathe out, one last time, breathe in. You can breathe out through your mouth. As you come back, stretch. Here, I'm going to take my left hand, take it all the way up towards the ceiling, bring it down. Nice. Shoulder, stretch. Stretch your right hand. See that your hips are not shifting to either side. Try and center it. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more breath in. And back. Come back. Press into the mat left. The other side now. Reach up. And if your hips are shifting all the way towards the left, try and bring it back to center. Notice a stretch in your waist. 2 and 1. Press into the mat. Come back. Gauge your toes. Lift. Come to your downward dog. Legs are wide. Drop your heels. You can, and if it stays up here, it's totally fine. Stay here, stretch. Feel a nice shoulder stretch. 2. Breath in and out. Step between your palms. Breathe in. Halfway lift. This time trying to push your seat towards the back, the crown of the head towards the front. And breathe out. Open your knees wide, bend deeply. Once more, let's go. Inhale and exhale. From here, we're going to slowly roll up. Inhaling, come up all this way. Breathe in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Keep your eyes open. Now, take your right leg and place it either in front of your left. Notice how you feel in terms of balance, or across. Bend your right knee, drop your right hand to the mat, and stretch all along your left side. Feel a nice stretch along the left side of your body, as well as the front of your left leg, especially your quads. 2 and 1. Inhale, hand comes up, reach, breathe out, fold forward, completely bending your knees. This time with your left, hold your right elbow, right, hold your left elbow. You can sway side to side. Again, roll up, come up. Now you're going to step your left leg in front of your right or across. Bend your left knee deeply. I'm going to take my right hand, reach it all the way up, bring my left fingertips towards the mat. Breathe in. See that you're going. You're not twisting, you're just bending to the side. I'll show it to you from the front. And reach. 2 and 1. Come up, reach both your hands up, release your legs. And breathing in. And as you breathe out, come down. From here, step your left leg behind. Bring your right on the outside of your right palm. Drop your left knee. We're going into your lizard pose, Uttitha Pristhasana. Stay here. You can look at the mat. You can look straight ahead. You're going to stay here for 2 breaths, and then we'll just go into a deeper variation on this pose. And 1, if you want to, you can always adjust, keep a towel beneath your knee, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Now slowly walk your legs slightly, like half your heel and your big toe is on the mat, your other 4 toes on the floor. So we're just widening slightly here. 2. Notice the stretch on the inside of your thighs. Now if you can always drop onto your forearms. Stay here. Breathe in. Bringing your awareness to the areas that you feel the stretch. If you want to, you can shift all your weight on the outside of your right foot, lifting the inside of your foot. The outside edge of your right foot. Or you can simply stay on your palms and your feet is just next to your right palm actually. So engage your toes, press to the mat, lift the knees up. Walk your leg back. Stretch it out. This time I'm going to step my left foot on the outside, adjust my back leg, drop my knee. Stay here, breathing in and breathing out. Your gaze can stay forward. Or you can look at your mat. Now I'm just going to walk my legs out slightly. Drop onto my forearms. If you want, you can shift all the weight on the outer edge of your left foot. Knees are moving towards the left side of the mat. And back. Come up. Engage your toes. Lift. Shake your legs out. Come to lie down on your belly. We're going to come to your Sphinx pose. Your gaze is forward. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Shalam Bhujangasana, nice stretch in the front of our chest, abdomen, compression in our lower back. Now bend your right knee. Bring your left palm where your right elbow was. Press into the mat. Now with your right, grab right foot. Notice the stretch in the front of your thigh. Nice deep quadricep stretch. Simultaneously try and press into your forearm. Elbow and palm here. Hold. 2. Your gaze is forward. And release. Press both your palms onto the mat. Come into your seal. Breathing in, breathing out. Notice a deeper compression in your lower back. If it's not comfortable, you can always go back to the previous pose. Your supported Bhujangasana. Come down. Now I'm going to bend my left foot. Bring my right palm where my left elbow was. Grab my foot. Be very mindful on how it feels on your knee. You should not feel anything in your knee. The stretch is felt on the front of your thigh. Now once you're comfortable here, press into the mat. Your gaze is forward. Breathe in. Just noticing the stretch. 2 and 1. Release. Press into the mat. Open your knees wide. Big toes to touch. Bring your seat towards your heel. If you're feeling any tension in your lower back, release this tension with your extended child pose, Uttitha Pristhasana. We'll stay here for 2 breaths. One. Walk back. Now we're going to swing our legs to one side. Come to lie on your back. Hug your knees to your chest. You want to rock side to side. Stretch both your legs out. In shavasana, close your eyes. Now take a moment to scan your body and notice if there's any change from what you noticed when we began the session to now. You can chant 1 round of Om, noticing the vibrations wash through our body. Stay here feeling rested, feeling relaxed. I hope you enjoy doing this session with me. I will see you tomorrow for day 21 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Namaste.